Hello everybody, this is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and on today's edition of Tori's Shit Show, we have a beautiful lighted housing brass CEC ceiling fan. This thing is pretty cool. I really love this thing. I've always wanted one. Start with the lighted housing. It's got a few incandescent bulbs in it. It's got a 3-way light kit on it. Alrighty, we'll fire up. Beautiful fan, something you would see in a old lady's dining room with wood paneling and a nice hutch. Alright, we'll go to medium. It's not a bad fan, it's pretty quiet. Alright, now we'll go to high. Alrighty folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later.